Urgent hiring service engineer. Join a leading organization and contribute to successful execution and supervision of site projects in the construction or railway sectors. Position service engineer, location Jabalpur, industry construction, railways, employment full time, CTC up to 3.5 LPA, experience 5 plus years, qualification B.Tech mechanical or electrical, notice period immediate, joiners preferred. Key skills: site supervision, site project management, project execution, electrical and mechanical system, vendor coordination, quality and safety compliance, technical troubleshooting, team coordination requirements. B.Tech in mechanical or electrical engineering, 5 plus years of experience in site supervision and project execution. Experience in construction or railway industry preferred. Strong technical and problem solving skills, ability to manage साइट ऑपरेशंस एंड इंश्योर टाइमली प्रोजेक्ट कंप्लीशन। अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हैं इस जॉब के लिए तो नीचे दिए गए ईमेल और व्हाट्सएप नंबर पर अपना अपडेटेड सीवी भेज करके अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू।